Hi there, this is Konstantin from Vidalico Digital, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Crystal Knows to predict anyone's personality, well, at least anyone who is in LinkedIn. So all you need to do is go to crystalknows.com, create an account, and once you've done that, you would also install the plugin in Google Chrome. Now let's quickly go to LinkedIn and to my account and just type my search for myself. Once I've done that, once I've hit my profile, you will see that there is automatically the plugin appears. So click on the plugin and basically you would have quite a lot of information about my personality. You have also recommendations, for example, if you want to call, if you want to email, let's just say you want to call now and make a sales pitch or negotiate or deliver bad news, discussing pricing, whatever. And then if you get the advice, you could follow that into your approach. At the same time, you have different scenarios, what to avoid in a meeting, selling, influencing, working together, etc. Basically, this is a tool that actually gives you quite a lot of information about the potential conversation partner that you decide to engage. You also have a disc personality that you could also start filling up or trying it out on the website of Crystal Knows. At the bottom you have a link directly where you can create your own disc assessment. What's also interesting, you have integrations and it integrates with the biggest CRMs and different platforms for prospecting or managing contacts. So yeah, give it a try, see how accurate it is. Remember that this is a predicted profile, and yeah, have fun with it.